How to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to delete your YouTube channel permanently. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your YouTube application. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see a new option. Simply click onto it. Then here go to your channel. Then here on the top right corner you can see three dots. Simply click onto it. Here simply search for delete my account. As you can see on the first option, delete or hide your YouTube channel, simply click onto it. Then here simply click on delete your channel permanently. Then here simply read the following steps and follow them, and you could fixly delete your YouTube channel permanently. So this was a very accurate fix to your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.